Hi guys, I'm here today to introduce to you today's activities. So we're going to start by completing the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to please watch the video. That is, their link is attached to the assignment, and it's going to tell you about how stars are classified based on their brightness, their true brightness and temperature. Scientists use what's called the HR diagram. And when you watch this, it's going to explain a little more about it. And it's also going to review the life cycle of stars, which you learned last week. So when you get to this page, after you watch the video, I'd like you to please color these sections. So here you're going to put color it blue. Here, just leave it blank. Here you can color yellow, and then red, orange, and red. And you can see on the board, I put an example there. And then you're going to start answering questions based on what you see on the diagram. Okay. So at first it tells you right here, you can look and see on the X axis. Remember this one here tells you the surface temperature. And on the Y, the up and down, the Y axis, it is the true brightness. And notice that it's increasing. The higher it is placed on the diagram, the brighter it is. Also on the bottom here, what do we have? The temperature over here, it seems to be increasing, but starting from the right. Look that it starts right here, 3,000, and it increases moving on to the left, okay? So we're going to be answering questions based on what we see on the diagram. First, it asks you what characteristics of stars are shown on the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. Well, we see the brightness, right? We see the surface temperature. What else does it tell you? What else, guys? Go ahead. The brightness, we said. The temperature, what else? Colors. Size, the size. It tells you the size. We're going to find out more about the size later, but also the colors. And I'm sorry? The type of star, yes, it does show you that on the diagram. So brightness, temperature, color, and even size. Then what is the color of the star based on its surface temperature? So the first one, it tells you it's 3,500. What is the color of the star? So you go here on the x-axis and look at 3,000, and then look at the top. What does it tell you? Red. Very good. So then you're going to start answering the ones below. 3,000 to 500 to 5,000 is what color? Very good. So that would be right here. That would be red orange because it tells you up here it's red orange. So then you'd continue answering from there, looking at the numbers here and adding the colors, okay? So moving on to question 3, what is the surface temperature range of the sun? So you're going to find the sun is over here, and then what is the temperature range? So it's going to be right here in between 5,000 and 6,000 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature there? What would you say? It would be about 5,500, right? Because the sun is in between 5,000 and 6,000. So that's 5,500. So that's what you would write here, 5,500 degrees Celsius. What is the sun's color? So you'd go over here and the sun is right here. Then you'd know it's yellow, okay? List the colors of the stars from hottest to least hot. So you look here where the hottest are. It's right here. Look at the colors and then you'd list them. So then everything you're going to do, all of the answers is going to be based on, you're going to find where that star is and find the information, whether it's temperature wise or maybe how bright it is. Okay. You continuing answer the questions based on what you see on there. Now notice, because I've done this with other class periods, that some students got confused when it got to, for instance, where's that one? It starts with a P. Okay, this star right here. There are two. One has a B at the end. So look, see, this one is found right here, but there is one that has a B. It's a similar name, but it's not the same exact star. So pay attention to those, okay? So all of these questions are going to be based on what you see on the diagram. After you're done with the diagram, you can work on the second assignment, which is on galaxies. Have a great day. Bye.